hope to see you soon in India. Thank you very much. We have set up a very nice partnership with your company. I appreciate the relationship with Ravi and with Nikhil. They came at the factory and we are eager to see them very soon as well.
Here we are at the GYS stall. GYS is a relatively new company for Madhus. We have been selling GYS for less than a year, but we have succeeded very well in the Indian market. One of the most unique products of GYS during this Automechanika is the new spot welder called the GYS PTI Neo. The PTI Neo is a very affordable spot welding equipment, inverter technology, which uses GYS's famous trafo gun along with the G clamp, which comes with its own unique set of features.
We have the PTI Neo over there. So the PTI Neo here is a new machine. What we wanted to do is to have a machine with good performance and with the most competitive price. And we use also here a new interface. All our machines are going to switch to a new interface. So the automatic mode on this machine does the same as on the PTI Genius. On a machine which is very competitive in terms of price. And it's got a cooling system. We have a tank on the back with 5 liters of cooling liquid. See here, the transformer here. Some parts are cooled by liquid and some others by air. Using high amperage, we can make many welding spots in a row to be able to do jobs on the car without any problem. Obviously, you don't have the same duty cycle as what you would have with a PTI Genius, but still, the performance is very good. The advantage is you don't take so much power from the electrical line because here you see you have a cable here which is 3 meters long, but you have no loss of power here because this is to bring the 3-phase power to the transformer. See in our after-sales service that the failure rate was reduced very much. So we know we have a good solution now. Yeah.